Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach you the last chapter, carbon and this compound. This is very important chapter not only for class 10 but also for your higher class, I mean to say 11 and 12. So read these chapters carefully. Dear student, what do you mean by hydrocarbon? Before knowing the term hydrocarbon, carbon atomic number is 6, belongs to group 14, period 2, block P in the periodic table. Group 14 element. Now carbon forms maximum number of compound. Carbon forms maximum number of compound due to two reasons. Number one is called catenation. Number two is called tetravalency. What do you mean by catenation? Catenation is the property of carbon in which carbon have ability to form self-linking. It may be straight, branch or cyclic. So this property of carbon is called catenation. And tetravalency is valency of carbon is 4. So due to these two properties, carbon forms maximum number of compound. Carbon is present everywhere. Now hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon is a compound which is formed by hydrogen and carbon. Which is formed by hydrogen and carbon. In hydrocarbon only carbon hydrogen is there. Hydrocarbon are two types, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated. In case of saturated hydrocarbon, hydrocarbon which is satisfied by single covalent bond, that is called saturated hydrocarbon. It has one part called alkane. General formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. In case of unsaturated hydrocarbon, it has the hydrocarbon which is satisfied by either double or triple covalent bond. So based on this concept, it is two types, alkene and alkyne. In case of alkene, general formula is CnH2n. In case of alkyne, general formula is CnH2n minus 2. N is the number of carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, dot, dot. In case of alkene alkyne, N is started from 2, 3, 4, not 1, and it started from 2, 3, 4. Reason is that for at least double or triple covalent bond, at least 2 carbon is required. That's why it will started from the 2 or 3. It starts from 2 carbon atoms. Okay. Now alkane have methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now put the value of N in this formula. We will get the formula of methane, ethane, propane, butane. Different types of values we must put here. So C1H2 into 1 plus 2 equal to CH4. This is the formula of methane. Similarly, C2H2 into 2 plus 2 equal to C2H6, ethane. Propane C3H8, butane C4H10, pentane C5H12. So these are the molecular formula, and we can calculate the molecular formula with the help of general formula, that is CnH2n plus 2. N is the number of carbon atoms. Now These are hydrocarbon, saturated hydrocarbon. Now let us understand the term homologous range. What do you mean by homologous range? The difference between the two carbon atoms is CH2 and molecular weight difference by 40 because 12 plus 2 14. The difference between two continuous hydrocarbon is CH2, one carbon increases and two hydrogen increases, continuous. In case of ethane and propane, same things happen, CH2. The difference between two continuous hydrocarbon is CH2 and molecular weight by 14. In this way series is formed, that is called homologous series. It is not only homologous series, then after is very important question here. In case of butane C4H10, write down lower and higher hydrocarbon of butane. In case of lower hydrocarbon and higher hydrocarbon, in case of higher hydrocarbon plus CH2 and in case of lower hydrocarbon minus CH2. So CH2 is added, then we get higher hydrocarbon C5H12. It is called pentane. And CH2 subtracted from butane to C4 minus is C3 and H8. It is called propane. So propane is a lower hydrocarbon and pentane is a higher hydrocarbon. Now, structure of alkane. You know that carbon is tetravalent, so this is the structure of methane. This is the structure of ethane. This is the structure of propane. Now CH3. This is a condensed form of ethane. This is the structure of propane. So condensed form is CH3, CH2, and then CH3. This is a condensed form of propane. How many covalent bonds are present in methane, ethane, propane, any hydrocarbon? So you are knowing there are two ways. Number one, draw the structure and count the covalent bond. In case of methane, this is the structure of methane and number of covalent bonds is 1, 2, 3, 4. So total number of covalent bonds is 4. In case of ethane, this is the structure of ethane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total covalent bond is 7. In case of propane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total number of bond is 10. But shortcut way for calculating bond with the help of molecular formula without drawing structure. In case of methane CH4, at first we calculate the total valence electron. Total valence electron of carbon, valence of carbon is 4 and hydrogen is 1 into 4. It means 4 plus 4 equal to 8. Formula: number of covalent bond is equal to the total valence electron by 2. It means 8 by 2 equal to 4. Surely you can do these things. Now, this is a way for calculating number of covalent bond. Now, same thing is applied to alkene and alkyne also. Now, as far as the concern of electron dot structure of alkane, so this is the structure of methane. Now, electron dot, electrons just showing in the form of dot. This is electron dot structure of methane. Okay. Next, this is the pentane C5H12. What is the molecular weight of pentane? 12 into 5 plus 1 into 12. 60 plus 12 equal to 72. 60 plus 12 equal to 72. So the molecular weight of pentane is 72. Okay, how can you calculate molecular formula with the help of molecular weight? So you are knowing the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2 is equal to the 72. That's what we calculate n here. So mass number of carbon is 12. 12n plus 2n plus 2 equal to 72. So 12n plus 2n is 14n. 14n plus 2 equal to 72. So 14n equal to 72 minus 2, n equal to 70 minus divided by 14. 14 5 the 70. Now put the value of 5 here. C5 as 2m. This is a pentane. Okay. So this is a way for calculating molecular formula with the help of molecular weight, and we are knowing how to calculate Covalent bond also, how to write electron dot structure, how to write condensed form. These are important things. Now next class we will discuss about alkene and alkyne. Okay, thank you.